We are pleased to show you the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seats for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, aluminum wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off, navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.